Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be making like a really simple pair of earrings. I'm going to be using some earrings that I have already purchased. These were just $1. As soon as I seen them, I myself don't wear like plain hoops, but you know there's so much that you can do with these to dress them up. So I'm going to show you a few ways that we can dress this up. Now this is just some fabric, look, I mean, it's just like, I don't know, just some fabric strips. I actually purchased these at like a crafting event. Someone was selling these for like $1. I had to buy them because as soon as I seen them, I was like, that's a pair of earrings. So what I'm going to first do is, you guys know I love big earrings, so of course I'm going to go for the biggest pair, which is the ones on the bottom. And then I am then going to look at my strips and figure out the length that I want these, because these things are super long. And you guys, I'm not going to iron these. I love the way that they are, the little tattered wrinkly look. I love that, so I'm not going to change anything like that about them. I'm trying to figure out how long I actually want these to hang from my ear. So once I do that, I'm going to come back on and we're going to get into this craft. Alright, so I cut about 12 strips because I don't know if I want to do 6 on each side or if I want to actually like center a piece and then do 5. Yeah, I'm probably going to do that. Okay, I just decided. And I have my glue gun ready to go. So yeah, I still don't know exactly how I want to do this. Or I could have, another thing that you could do is you could thread it through just like this, and then thread these pieces right here, thread a bead through it to where it's like, let me go get a bead. Let me go get a bead.